How to make your vacation look amazing, even if it was a disaster. Vacations are supposed to be magical escapes from reality, but sometimes they're just overpriced disasters with a side of sunburn. Fear not. How Twisted is here to teach you how to transform your May trip into a glamorous, envy-inducing adventure worthy of Instagram fame. Step 1. Master the perfect beach photo pose. Even if the beach was freezing or smelled like fish, all you need is one good shot. Sit with your legs just so, facing the water, and throw in an effortless head tilt. Bonus points if you're holding a drink with a tiny umbrella in it, whether it's a piña colada or lukewarm tap water. Pro tip, angles are everything. Crop out the guy wearing socks and sandals and voila, you're a tropical influencer. Step 2. Highlight the food, not the experience. Sure, the food took 2 hours to arrive and your waiter was clearly over it, but none of that matters if you take a close-up of the plate. Get those artsy shots of your overpriced avocado toast and let the world assume you ate it while overlooking a picturesque ocean. Pro tip, filters are your friend. Add one that says vintage chic instead of this was lit by fluorescent bulbs. Step 3. Fake the epic adventure. No ziplining? No problem. Just take a picture of your hiking boots on some gravel or your shadow against a rocky hill. Caption it, tackling new heights. Nobody needs to know the most epic thing you did was climb 3 stairs to a rooftop bar. Pro tip, stock photos of sunsets are your ultimate backup plan. No one can prove you weren't there. Step 4. Create the illusion of relaxation. Your hotel may have been next to a construction site, but that's irrelevant. Grab a shot of your feet up against a pool or your hand holding a book, even if it's upside down. Pair it with a caption like, "Finally recharging," and let the chaos fade into the background. Pro tip, throw a pair of sunglasses into the shot for instant vacation vibes. Sunglasses equal sign relaxation. Step 5. Crop, edit, and strategically caption. That awkward tour group you were stuck with, crop them out. The suspiciously brown water behind you, adjust the hue until it screams Caribbean blue. And captions, keep them vague. What a magical place. No one needs to know you're talking about the airport terminal. Pro tip, if all else fails, black and white edits make everything look dramatic and expensive. Step 6, end on a high note. Post a scenic goodbye shot, think a plane wing in the sky or a suitcase on the curb, and caption it until next time. It's the universal symbol for, look at me, I travel. People will assume you're jet-setting your way back to an equally fabulous life. Pro tip, mystery is key. Keep your followers guessing, and forget the part where your flight was delayed for 6 hours. And there you have it, 6 steps to turning a questionable vacation into a social media masterpiece. Remember, vacations may end, but curated Instagram posts are forever. Now go forth and create the envy you deserve.